Learning is fun when you nurture the passion for it and continuously develop it through experiences. Welcome to Ankuran Foundation, the home of experiential learning. Ankuran Foundation is dedicated to enhancing and supplementing the quality of science facilities and preparing school kids for STEM careers. We're building a first-of-its-kind network of world-class learning centers where STEM education comes alive through experiential learning. This initiative aims to make students better equipped and more employable in the future, emphasizing the importance of STEM jobs for India's prosperity. Our journey started from Durgapur in the state of West Bengal in India. Since its inception in 2021, Ankuran Durgapur has been welcoming thousands of students from dozens of schools around the region. We build robots, conduct groundbreaking experiments, explore the wonders of nature, play with numbers, and even gaze at the constellations. We host after-hours science clubs at the center, providing students with even more opportunities to explore and experiment. It's like stepping into a giant futuristic STEM playground. We also enhance STEM education by training teachers, ensuring that they are equipped with the skills to inspire and mentor the next generation of innovators. In the heartbeat of India's youth, where 65% are under 35, Ankuran is a groundbreaking initiative to harness the vibrant energy of our youngest demography. Ankuran serves as a vibrant environment where passionate mentors offer personalized guidance. Our initiative not only cultivates critical scientific thinking skills, but also seamlessly complements the school curriculum, whether state or central board. We partner with national and regional NGOs to link the schools and teachers in their networks to our local science centers. This ensures every child, regardless of their financial background or location, has access to this immersive learning experience. Ankuran Foundation is set to open one science center across each of the 797 districts of India, in the first phase of transforming the nation's education tapestry. Our blueprint for success is our unique hub-and-spoke model. In Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities, hubs offer a full spectrum of labs, exhibits, and resources. In remote areas, mobile spokes bring science to their doorsteps.
What we are trying to do through Ankuran sir is that we are trying to give the right type of supplementary education to the school education. In the schools, we are teaching them theoretical training, but what they need is very practical oriented training. So that they can understand the concept of physics, chemistry, biology, computers, and it can arise curiosity in them. It is very important, and we build the foundation for them to grow and be the best talent around the world.
Each Ankuran Center operates as an independent social franchise managed by local sponsors like NGOs, community organizations, or businesses. The Ankuran Foundation provides comprehensive support to all centers at the national level, ensuring their success and impact within their communities. With 80% of the future jobs requiring STEM skills, Ankuran is empowering children by eliminating barriers in STEM education and preparing them for India's bright future. Be a part of the STEM revolution. Ignite possibilities, one center at a time.